Welcome to watch the unboxing video of Newdermo FM-02 LED Light Therapy Mask. This mask has 4 lights to achieve 4 different therapeutic effect ion. It has 2 usage modes. M is manual mode. A is automatic mode. Automatically switch between different lights. The total aging time is 15 minutes. Press switch button for 1 second to turn on the red light mode. Front red light and back red light display. Red light can promote and improve blood circulation, anti-inflammatory, and reduce swelling. Pain relief, lightening of dark spots, suitable for all skin types. Press again to turn on M2 for blue light mode. Front blue light and back blue light display. Blue light inhibits oil secretion, balances oil, and effectively sterilizes. Treats acne, suitable for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Press again to turn on M3 gear for near-infrared color light mode. Front near-infrared color light and back near-infrared color light display. Near-infrared color light increases skin moisture level and improves skin roughness. Press again to turn on M4 gear for mixed color light mode. Front mixed color light and back mixed color light display. Mixed color light gathers a variety of light, sterilization, and anti-inflammatory. Anti-aging, suitable for all skin types. Welcome to watch the unboxing video of Newdermo FM-02 LED Light Therapy Mask.